Hello, and so nice to see you. This Halloween ukulele lesson will help you learn 4 sound effects and songs that are great for Halloween. They're all very easy and designed for kids ages 5 and up, and it will help them learn rhythm and some coordination between both of their hands. So go ahead, get your instrument, let's get started. Alright, so our first spooky sound goes like this. Not a lot of people know that you can play there. You can, but it doesn't sound as pretty as down here. But today, for the Halloween lesson, it doesn't have to sound pretty. So you can use a pick if you have a pick, just a little piece of plastic. If you don't have a pick, you can use your thumb or another finger. And all you do is you just pluck these strings on this side, right here. We don't usually play over here, so you just give that a try. Now you can choose to play all at once or one at a time like this. So take a minute, give that a try. It's not very hard at all. The things will get more interesting in just a minute here. So we'll call that the prickly sound. Now that's pretty easy to do by itself, but the last song in the video, you'll have a chance to play along using your prickly sound with the song that I wrote, and it'll help you learn rhythm. Number 2 is a really short but really creepy song. It sounds like this. That's very easy. Actually, it's just 2 notes. This is actually a song from a movie called Jaws. It's about a big, scary shark. I haven't seen it because I think I would get too scared to watch it. But most grown-ups know what this song is. So I don't think you should watch the movie, but I do think you should learn how to do this because it sounds spooky, it's very easy, and it will get you some practice of using both of your hands together. So what we do, first of all, we'll hold the ukulele the correct way. I'll make a special video about how to do this soon, but for now you just have to know that your right hand is going to be by the strings and the left hand is going to be over here. So we need to find our E string. If you don't know how to do that, the quickest way for now is to count up 1 from your string that's closest to the floor. So we'll play that one first, and if you do it right and your ukulele is in tune, it should sound like this, so give that a try. Pretty easy. And the only other thing that we have to do is use our pointer finger on the left hand to press down the first fret. So on my E string, I'm plucking my E string, and then I'm pressing my E string. So if we go back and forth, it should sound like this. We can start very slow, just by going back and forth like that. Now if we want to do the real song, it should give us the feeling like something big is sneaking up on us. Because that's what the person who wrote this song wanted you to feel when you hear it. It's a very, very spooky song. So we start off slow. And then when you feel like it, you can just start to go a little faster, go a little faster. Maybe one more. And that's enough to scare any person walking around like late at night if they don't know that you're about to play. So that's the Jaws song. All right, so you're doing amazing. So far, it's pretty easy. Now, this one's a little bit harder, but not too hard. It sounds like this. So grown-ups will know that that's the Batman theme song. And while it's not exactly Halloween, it has a Halloween feeling to me, so I thought we'd do it. And it can help you get better at using both your hands. So here's how we play this. I'll zoom in really close so you can see what I'm doing with my left hand. That's the most important. First of all, I need to put 1 finger on each fret. So my pointer finger is here on what we call the 1st fret. Next finger is there on the 2nd fret. 3rd finger is here. Now this might be a little bit hard for young kids. I usually don't teach kids who are 5 or 6 how to do this kind of thing yet, but it's a good thing to know about. So if you're too young to do this, don't worry. The next thing we do is going to be just right for you. So we've got our hand like that, right? Now we're going to play, I'll show you which ones. We're playing the 2 bottom strings closest to the floor. We'll play them together. Right, so that's how our first notes should sound. Now for the song, we'll play those 2 times. Now I'm playing over here so that you can see my pick, but usually you'd play over here by the sound hole or right around here, whatever's more comfortable. 2 of those. Then we lift this finger off. Do 2 of these. Lift that one off. 2 of these. Then we start to climb back up. 2 of these. And we just go through it like that. Yeah, now that might take some practice. You might have to try that a few times, but if you can do that, you'll be able to do a lot of other really cool stuff. And the words for this song are very simple. They go, Batman. All right, great job so far. Now, since this video is getting really long, I'm going to make a second video that has the song that you can play along with. It's going to have the same name as this one, but it will say Part 2 in the title. So go ahead and find that. It's a great way to practice that prickly sound and get some practice of playing along with some music. So go ahead, I'll see you there.